Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to do the single crochet chain one crochet pattern. What you want to do is any multiples of 2. And a fun side note about this pattern, it is reversible. So I'm just going to do my quick chains for this. And we'll want to chain 2. And from the third chain from the hook, single crochet. Chain 1. And that'll be our repeat. So here we get started. It'll be a single crochet, chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. Chain 1, skip 1, single crochet. And we'll repeat this all the way to the end of the row. Alright, here we are at the last single crochet. Give it a little tug. You can kind of see how that's churning out. You see the little holes? That's what we're aiming for in the next row. So chain 2. And in that chain 1 gap, which you might have to kind of pull your work apart a little bit to see it, that is where we will insert our hook to do our single crochet. So chain 1, insert our hook into the chain 1 gap below, and single crochet. Chain 1, insert our hook into the gap, single crochet. And we will repeat this all the way to the end. The first few rows for this might be a little bit difficult, but it'll end up working out the farther you go along. So here we are at the end. We'll do our last chain, and then instead of going into the chain 1 gap, we're going to actually single crochet into the side stitch to give it a nice even edge. So to start out again, it's 2 single crochets, and then a single crochet into the chain 1 gap and repeat. And this will be our pattern all the way until you reach the size that you desire. So you can really see it coming along. It gives it that nice little grid look. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and I hope you have a happy crochet day.